Have you ever wondered how to turn your writing skills into a source of income? Picture this, a world where you can convert your passion for words into a paycheck, a realm that allows you to harness your creativity and turn it into wealth. Welcome to the enigmatic universe of online writing jobs. In this digital age, the landscape of work has been transformed. The internet has revolutionized the way we communicate, the way we learn, and indeed the way we work. One field that has seen significant growth and opportunity is online writing. Imagine being able to write from the comfort of your own home, or while sipping a latte at the local coffee shop, or even while watching the sunset on a beach halfway across the world. The concept of online writing jobs breaks down the walls of a traditional office and offers a world of flexibility. You are no longer confined to a 9-to-5 schedule. Instead, you can write when you're most productive, whether that's at the break of dawn or the stroke of midnight. But the allure of online writing jobs extends beyond the convenience and flexibility. The opportunities are as vast as the World Wide Web itself. From copywriting to content creation, from blogging to book editing, from social media management to search engine optimization, the world of online writing is as diverse as it is exciting. Whether you're a seasoned wordsmith or someone just dipping their toes into the sea of storytelling, there's a place for you in this realm. Your unique voice, your distinctive style, your fresh perspective, these are your tickets to this thrilling world of online writing jobs. So, if you're ready to explore this exciting world, keep listening as we unravel the secrets of successful online writing jobs. This is not just about earning a paycheck, it's about unlocking the keyboard to your dreams, where your words hold the power to write your success story. Now that you're intrigued by the prospect of online writing jobs, you might be wondering, how do you find these opportunities? Well, let's dive into the art of finding these word-woven gems. The internet is a vast ocean of opportunities, and knowing where to cast your net can make all the difference. Various platforms are teeming with writing jobs, just waiting for the right wordsmith to come along. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr are some of the popular freelancing platforms where you can find an array of writing jobs. There are also specialized job boards like ProBlogger and Blogging Pro that cater specifically to writers. But entering the arena is just the first step. To truly stand out, you need to create a compelling profile and portfolio. Think of your profile as your virtual handshake, your first point of contact with potential clients. It needs to be professional yet personal, showcasing your skills and passion for writing. And then there's your portfolio, your greatest ally in showcasing your talent. Populate it with your best writing pieces, the ones that truly represent your style and versatility. However, finding and applying for jobs is only half the battle. Networking plays a crucial role too. Building relationships with potential clients can open doors to opportunities you never even knew existed. Attend virtual meetups, webinars, join writing communities, engage in discussions. Be proactive, be visible. Remember, people are more likely to hire someone they know and trust. Persistence is key. You may face rejection, you may face competition, but don't let that deter you. Every no is a step closer to a yes. It's a process, a learning curve. With each application, each interaction, you learn, you grow, you get better. Remember, finding the right job is just the beginning of your journey. It's the first step towards unlocking the keyboard to your dreams. So gear up, word warriors, for the battle has just begun. Your words, your future. So you found a job that interests you. But how do you ensure you get it? Well, the first step is understanding the job description and the client's needs. This may sound rudimentary, but it's astonishing how often this step is overlooked. You see, clients may use a variety of terms to describe the same role, so it's essential to read between the lines. Look for clues about the style of writing they prefer, the audience they're targeting, or the tone they're aiming for. Next, let's talk about your proposal or cover letter. This is not just a formality, it's your golden ticket, your chance to stand out from the crowd. To craft a winning proposal, you need to tailor it to the specific job. Highlight your relevant experiences and skills, but remember, it's not about you. It's about how you can help the client achieve their goals. Make sure to answer any questions listed in the job description and provide samples of your work if possible. Now, let's not forget about the power of follow-ups. A polite and professional follow-up can show your keen interest in the job and keep you at the top of the client's mind. However, remember to strike a balance. You don't want to come off as pushy or desperate. Maintaining professionalism is another key aspect of securing writing jobs online. This means communicating effectively, meeting deadlines, and producing quality work. It's about building a reputation of reliability, which can lead to more job opportunities in the future. Remember, every job you apply for is a potential stepping stone towards your dream writing job. So don't get disheartened if you don't land the first few jobs you apply for. Keep refining your approach, continue to learn and grow, and most importantly, never lose sight of your passion for writing. Securing the job is all about understanding your client's needs and showcasing your skills effectively. So go ahead and unlock the keyboard to your dreams. You've secured the job, congratulations, but how do you ensure long-term success in this field? Now that you've made it this far, you might be wondering what it takes to not only survive but thrive in the realm of online writing. Well, the secret sauce to success isn't so secret after all. It boils down to 3 key factors: delivering consistent quality, embracing continuous learning, and valuing feedback. Let's start with the first one: delivering consistent quality. In the world of online writing, your reputation is everything. It's your brand. It's your calling card. And nothing builds a solid reputation like consistently delivering high-quality work. Every piece you write, every assignment you complete, is an opportunity to demonstrate your skill and dedication. It's not about being perfect, it's about striving for excellence in every word you craft. Next, we have continuous learning. The landscape of online writing is constantly changing, with new trends, new platforms, and new styles emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, you must be willing to learn and adapt. This might mean taking online courses, attending webinars, reading industry blogs, or even participating in writing workshops. The goal is to keep refining your skills and broadening your knowledge. Remember, in this field, you're not just a writer, you're a lifelong learner. Finally, we come to feedback. In the world of writing, feedback is gold. It's the compass that helps you navigate your growth path. Embrace feedback, both positive and negative. Listen to what your clients, peers, and mentors have to say. Use their insights to improve your work and hone your skills, and don't forget to give feedback as well. By offering constructive criticism to your peers, you'll not only help them grow, but also sharpen your own analytical skills. Success in online writing jobs comes from dedication, continuous learning, and a commitment to quality. Remember this, and you'll be well on your way to writing a success story of your very own. Let's take a moment to recap everything we've covered today. We've journeyed together through the fascinating realm of online writing jobs, learning how to unlock the keyboard to our dreams. We started off by unraveling the enigma of online writing jobs. We discovered that they are not just a myth, but a reality, offering a wealth of opportunities for those who dare to dream and dare to write. These jobs can provide a path to financial freedom, allowing creativity to meet commerce in a harmonious dance. Next, we delved into the art of finding these jobs. We learned how to sift through the vast digital landscape, using specialized platforms and networking channels to locate the writing jobs that suit our skills and interests. We discovered the importance of having a professional online presence and a portfolio that showcases our talent. We then moved on to the key to securing these jobs. We emphasized the importance of crafting compelling proposals and maintaining a professional demeanor. We learned that persistence and patience are as important as our writing skills. We also discovered that understanding the needs of our clients and delivering high-quality work are the cornerstones of securing and maintaining these jobs. Next, we ventured into the secret to succeeding in online writing jobs. We understood that success is not just about earning money, but also about continual learning and growth. We learned that adapting to different writing styles, meeting deadlines, and exceeding client expectations are critical to our success. We also realized the importance of self-care and maintaining a work-life balance. We learned that we need to nourish our creativity, take breaks when needed, and avoid burnout. After all, our creativity is our lifeblood in this field, so there you have it. With these secrets in your arsenal, you're well on your way to turning your writing skills into a source of income. Remember, your words have power. Use them wisely and they can write your success story.